naman yung party-party nyo? Sobrang good. Sobrang good na.
It was a fun experience. I got to meet new friends and also have a good time party.
100% enjoyed. Very fun. Good vibes.
Super fun. I mean, a bus wherein you can party, that's like one of its kind here in the Philippines. And of course, it's always been about the journey. Like, pag nagbabas ka kasi, medyo stressed ka or like, hindi mo iniisip na mag-enjoy ka. Pero for this one, wow, an entire day of just, you know, singing, enjoying with your friends. You're actually seated down in a really nice couch like this. I mean, this is an experience you will never forget. So, if I were you, if you have like a really special moment, like, or maybe you're celebrating something, get Victory Liner. I swear, this party bus is gonna be a memorable milestone for you guys. So, party!
Ang saya, sobrang saya. Hindi ko na-feel na umaandar. Parang feeling ko, perfecto para sa mga long na biyahe. Gusto ko mag-birthday sa ganito. Actually, diba? Guys, sobrang na-recommend ko siya. Kasi bukod sa hindi mo ma-feel yung biyahe kasi super saya lang. Parang feeling ko pwede siya sa mga gatherings, sa mga celebrations. Tapos kung may pupuntahan kayong malayo, ito talaga, hindi nyo ma-feel yung biyahe.